The foundation for any kind of coaching, and you may not have ever even heard of this, is something that a colleague of mine, Dana Hammond of Foundation Coaching, calls the wound, the childhood wound. And the fact is that all of us have one, and we continue reliving it throughout our lives. So this childhood wound, let me kind of explain it to you, because does it make sense? In order to be a good coach, the key is to do your own inner work first. So basically what's happening is you're young, you're just born, and you don't even know the difference between you and the rest of the world. At some point we think that there's just this one big glob of meanness. And then little by little we start to notice that there are other players in this game and that we can't always manipulate our parents. It doesn't always automatically happen that we get what we want. And at some point during that realization, one of those moments when we didn't get what we wanted, when we didn't get our needs met, it triggered something. And what it triggered was kind of a sense of, wait a minute, something's not right here. And because we had a sense of our universe as being us, the something that's not right, it must be me. So what I'm going to ask you to do is try and think of what is your earliest childhood memory. This is usually between the ages of 3 and 4. A memory where you didn't quite get your needs met. Something wasn't quite right. Now, some of you have had horrifying experiences as a child, so it would maybe be one of those, but it doesn't have to be a horrifying experience. It can just be, I wanted a doll for Christmas and I got a train instead. I mean, it's just that there was a moment of realization that, wait a minute, something's not right here. I'm not getting my needs met. And I want you to think about what that was, and then I want you to ask 3 questions. What did you make that mean? I mean, whatever it was that happened, happened, but it wasn't the fact that it happened that caused the issues that we have today. It's at the moment that it happened, we made some decision about what that meant. Question 2, what did you make it mean about you? Because usually what happens is we say something like, well, I must not matter. I must not be good enough. I need to handle things on my own. We make a resolution about ourselves. And the third question is, what did you make it mean about the world?